family, there are three ways of looking at it. I look at it when I look at my children, sir. If my children do something wrong, if I participate, उस कृति में सहभाग ले रही हूँ. अगर सहभाग भी नहीं दे रही हूँ, कुछ बोलूं नहीं, तो उसको कहते हैं अनुमोदन कर रही हूँ. और अगर मैं मौन रखूं, तो भी आप बोलेंगे गलती तुम्हारी है, तुम माँ हो, तुमने कुछ क्यों नहीं कहा. Sir, this is my objection to the government. Sir, the Honorable Home Minister is very patiently listening here. So why can't all his members listen here? This is the problem with this party, sir. This is the basic crux of the problem. The senior leadership is entirely divided, sir. That gives me pain. Kiran Rijiju. I appreciate what Kiran Rijiju said. I was listening very patiently yesterday to what Meenakshi Lekhi ji said. She's a good friend of mine. I appreciate she had really studied a lot and come. This entire discussion is not whether beef is banned, who banned it, not banned it, is not the question, sir. Even if it's banned, whoever banned it, we have objections, we may have differences in it. And I appreciate what Kiran Rijiju got up and clarified that he has no objection, each one should eat or live in whichever state they live in. I represent Maharashtra. Maharashtra, it's not banned, it is banned, but in Goa it's not banned. So Maharashtrian can go to Goa and eat it, which is also fine with us. Sir, but what really happens in this banning is that when they all make such progressive statement, Arunji makes progressive statement, there are people in the party who says, so this is what it is, आप कृति में भाग नहीं लेते, शायद अनुमोदन भी नहीं करते, but जब मौन रखते हैं sir, then it gives us that is it a game going on here. There's an English saying, sir, there's a good cop and a bad cop. So some play good cop, some play bad cop. So what is the really clean agenda of this government? I think this is the time you really need to rise to the occasion and tell the nation this is an opportunity you have to clean up everything that is you are saying. I'm not yielding. Aapka aayega to boliye.
Please continue.
She's not yielding.
Please order, please. Let
Sir, so this is an opportunity for them because they keep talking about smart cities. We are very happy if you're making all our cities smart. We are very happy you're making India digital. But really, does the beef ban, Ghar Wapasi, do these issues really, sir, come in digital India and modern India that you keep dreaming of? You take us on this beautiful dream. You took this whole nation on the dream. I think time has come where you put where your hand where your mouth is and really deliver the results that you committed to. I think you really need to introspect because it's not about just returning. This is not the first time any people or any literary people are returning awards. But if one goes, so many awards are coming back, at least rethink of what it is. And what really worries me, sir, is there were Gujarat riots. What Jay said in his speech was partially correct and partially wrong. Jay, you said in your speech that if there is a government in the state and there's a government in the center, how is the government in the center responsible for law and order? If the same government is in the center of BJP or anybody, and the same government is in Maharashtra, which is also BJP, who do I turn to? When I want to look for my rights and all these wrong things are happening in my state, who do I turn to, sir? Because both are the same party. So when you say it's only a state subject, it's not only a state subject. When they come back to the center for help for everything, why aren't you addressing this issue, especially when their own colleagues are constantly talking about this? So that's the answer I'm looking for. And Rajnath Singh ji, I'm looking for help from you, sir. You said give me solutions. My solution to you is please tell your member of parliament and your respected ministers to think before they talk. If they stop talking, that's the only solution. If they stop talking, we don't need this delegation. We don't need this debate. Because it's not only society. Society, poor thing, Aam Aadmi survives, sir, wo jayega kahan? And this whole thing of desh chhod ke, wo bichara kahan jayega? He barely works hard to make his 2 square meals, put his kids through education for a better life, sir. Nobody is saying. And just because 2 film actors, which almost I say in Make in India, their whole contribution is very good. So let's not run down Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan. They have contributed substantially globally for India. So it's not. But if any citizens, how does it matter? Why does it have to be somebody very famous and glamorous to make such news? Even if a common person, I think we owe it to those people. If they are feeling insecure, it's your duty because you are in a position of power. It's your job to do it. So I take this opportunity to just remind them. And I would definitely like another thing which is constantly coming up in various speeches. Sir, is death of various people. they are very important, whether it's Dabolkar, Pansare or Kalpurgiji. These are all three sons of this soil, very liberal sons. They were definitely attacked by some format which is of intolerance. And mostly what happens is, there is this group called the Sanatan Sanstha in Maharashtra, which endlessly talks. Even Ashok ji has just arrived. He knows, he's been Chief Minister of Maharashtra, that how much trouble this ideology caused. They all work on it. It went